My garage floor shifted a little bit and the crack I used to put in the heels in is gone. Well, it's still here, but it's leveled now. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the next vlog. First off, if you've tuned in to see a build video this week, my apologies, no build video this week. I'm in commercial landscape construction for the job and we've spent the last 2 weeks ramping up for the season, so I ended up falling a little bit behind in the video editing department. I haven't had a chance to record my next batch of voiceovers yet, though I am hoping to do that after I, finish recording this. I still wanted to get a video out for you guys, even though it is just a vlog. Based on how the last couple weeks have been going though, I wouldn't be surprised if I just finished editing this, right before I upload it. It's Friday night right now and I typically upload Saturday nights. And yeah, Editor John, maybe confirm over here if, confirm when you finished it. Speaking of landscaping, I mentioned getting a new job back in my last vlog. At this point, I've been working there for about 5 months now and it's been going really good. I'm doing pretty much the same thing I was doing at the last company, so the adaptation was fairly minimal, and I've been enjoying it so far. Shop-wise, I haven't been up to too much, being Canada and, just coming out of winter. Yeah, it's cold, and my shop isn't heated, so I haven't been able to do too much in here. When I have, it's usually costing me about 50 bucks a day in propane costs, so I was trying to kind of keep that to a minimum. I did get some shop time out here, and those videos will be coming out at some point, but yeah, not recently. I haven't been up to too much. I made a couple side project, or a couple small side projects that really aren't worth mentioning. I didn't bother recording them, they were small. Other than this little, there's a bit of a glare. Other than this little companion sign that I made for that welcome sign that I made for a couple friends of mine a while back. I think I built that back in September, and that video should be coming out in the next 3 weeks or so. It was going to come out earlier, but then he contacted me and wanted this little addition, so I held the video for a little bit longer. And actually I should get that shipped over to him, so I should get that done tomorrow. I've also been working on this pallet wood countertop, which has been going more or less okay. It keeps wanting to go all potato chippy on me, and I haven't quite gotten that worked out yet. I thought about scrapping it and starting over, but I don't think I've gotten to that point just yet. My last attempt was a router sled, which, it worked fairly well. I might just need to run the sled over it again, even though it's already thinner than I'd like it to be. Even if I do scrap it, I could probably still use this material for something else as well, so it wouldn't be a total loss. And really, it's pallet wood, so at this point all I would lose is the time I've put into it and the router bit that I blew on it, but whatever. Otherwise, I think that's about it. It's kind of a boring vlog. I live kind of a boring life. So, on that note, thank you guys for watching, and if you like what I'm doing here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you have any questions or comments, I look forward to reading them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more current projects, you can follow me on Instagram at John the Shriner. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video, and have a good one.